Mm. Yeah. You gonna kick it first?
Yeah, this shit don't get no easier. As I'm getting older, my heart is taking a toll. Now I can feel it growing colder. The devil watching me closely. I can feel him on my shoulder. He telling lies, deception is his means to gain the soldiers. But I won't take the fucking poison that he trying to sell me. Cause I'm steady on the rise. Ain't a thing that he can tell me. Mama never raised a fool. Made sure I stayed in school. So my brain gonna be my lane to the game. Driven by my ambition. Nigga on a mission. Kill the fucking game. Leave it bloody leaking, twitching. My trigger finger be itching. To blow this shit I be dishing. Cause what I'm spitting hot enough to burn Hell's Kitchen. You saying your business whack? Yeah, fucking right. Never that I spit addiction, nigga. The shit you spitting never crack. And I would never slack, even when I'm in the winner circle. Cause I made it from Urkel to Arthur Fonzarelli. I wanted all, damn right, I'm talking everything. Bitches and riches, fast cars, yachts and diamond rings. And them designer things, yeah, I'm talking finer things. Cause that's the type of life this rap shit is sure to bring. I wanted all, damn right, I'm talking everything. Money, the power, fame, respect. Nigga, cut the check. And please don't forget, I'm trying to be the best in the game, so yeah, remember the name, the motherfucking
like
biz.
A Freemason who free bases with weed chases, premeditating to take it in 3 phases. First come a hit, second come a couple fans, third come the tour bus just to travel all the land. Finally the man get to find out where he stand, making every song I get him look like Silence of the Lambs. Violent when I spam and I get up off the topic. Capricorn Ram, I ain't talking about the tropic. Case you didn't know, I'm after it getting dope. Accurate with my lines and passionate with my flow. My shit is purely medicinal. I flow untraditionally, so when I speak about this love, that's unconditional. 7 years running, now I'm with the DA, locking down tracks and the drum is like my summons. What up, Glass? Good company, know we coming. If you a fan now, yeah, you know. Come on, come on. That's the DA for you, in case you didn't know. Mixtape coming soon.
Real soon.
What's that shit called?
Fucking...
Tell them all about it. The ball is in your court. The DA. Make sure you look out for Etiquette, the motherfucking biz, John Glass Productions, and everything else in between.
Absolutely.
Peace out.